Hi, this is the Silesium YouTube channel. When a car is involved in a front end collision, most of the damage is sustained within the frame, body, engine, and steering. This causes anxiety for drivers and passengers because their safety is not assured. The golden hour is the period of time following a traumatic injury, during which there is the highest likelihood that prompt medical and surgical treatment will prevent death. In developed countries, cars are divided into different parts and airbags are also provided. Why would a car manufacturer make the same car but neglect to add safety features to those exported to certain countries? Ambulances are quick to respond in the developed world. On average, the response time in the UK is 7 minutes. Why this standard not adopted in developing countries? Let's find out the answers to these questions in this video.
World War II was an important time of innovations for Europe and Africa. The Nazis were able to advance on the Eastern Front due to the colder weather conditions to which soldiers were accustomed. However, due to the blistering heat of the deserts in Africa, troops were not as successful. Due to this weather and Britain's deployment of specially trained troops, the Nazi army was seen losing on this front. General Erwin Rommel was consulted to reconsider their strategies here. He suggested crossing the Abu Simbel desert in pieces to reach the battlefield. The desert stretched for about 150 kilometers. Due to the conditions, the car's engine failed several times, causing delays to his trip. In response, Hitler consulted mechanical engineers who removed the engine of General Rommel's car from the front side and placed it in the backside of the car instead. By doing so, the hot air of the desert did not hit the engine directly and was no longer susceptible to overheating. Now the vehicle could travel without error. On this desert front, General Rommel was renamed Desert Fox by the Nazi army, and his car was renamed Foxy. This vehicle still exists today. It is a masterpiece of mechanical engineering which not only increases the efficiency of the engine but also reduces the number of deaths in the event of an accident. Why is not such a car made in today's new era? Lady Diana was a beautiful, sociable, and compassionate woman. She married the Prince of Wales, Prince Charles. About 15 years later, she was divorced due to publicity surrounding their difficulties and supposed contempt of her mother-in-law and the royal family. During her marriage, she had 2 children, Harry and William. Princess Diana was different after he divorced and devoted herself to altruistic endeavors such as adopting orphans and helping the poor. She would travel from country to country, exposing the injustices of various societies. Despite the divorce, the royal family continued to spy on Diana and harass her. On August 31st, 1997, Diana went to meet a close friend, Dodi Al-Fayed, at a hotel in Paris. Here, too, the reporters did not give up. Therefore, after a while, Diana and Dodi had to leave. The car in which Diana and Dodi left the hotel was chased. A Mercedes-Benz, considered one of the safer vehicles at the time. The car was traveling at a speed of 240 km/h when it crashed into an underpass tunnel with great force. The collision was so severe that Diana and Dodi, despite sitting in the rear seats, were struck by the engine. The ambulance arrived at the scene in just 7 minutes as soon as the accident was reported. The driver of the car and Dodi died on impact. Diana was taken to the hospital in critical condition. During the golden hour, the royal family requested that Diana be transferred to the Royal Institute of Medical Sciences in London. The doctors stated that because her heart had been displaced to the right by the car's engine, she was not stable enough for transfer. During her surgery, she suffered a myocardial infarction. She had a tear in a pulmonary vein and the pericardium. Her heart is losing beats. So for last step, doctors vibrates her heart with their hands by put a hole in Diana's chest. But Diana does not recover. In this way, Princess of Wales, Lady Diana dies. It was later found out the driver of the car was drunk at the time of the accident. However, when he takes Diana and Dodi to the hotel, he is fine. The car's engine was the cause of Diana's death in the crash, which seems to come to Diana sitting in the back seat of the car after the accident. After the accident, cars began to made in Europe in which the engine was detached from the car's body, so that whenever the car is hit from the front, its engine should go to one side instead of getting inside the car, and occupants of the car can be safe. Car manufacturers do not make these safety features for developing countries, due to which the death rate in car accidents here is higher than in Europe. Moreover, now airbags are also installed in cars, but this facility is not provided in every vehicle.
For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos, and give your feedback. Thank you.